Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Instagram camera quality. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram and this is how the homepage looks like. So first of all, before I will show you guys any fix, go ahead and search for Play Store or App Store on your phone and then search for Instagram. So once you search for Instagram, you're going to find this right here. Go ahead and click on it and then check if you are up to date or not, because this might affect your camera quality. So if you have any updates available right here, go ahead and update your application and then go back to Instagram. So once you're here on Instagram, if you want to go to the quality settings, go ahead and click on your profile icon here in the bottom right. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. Once you're here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. Go ahead and scroll down until you find your app and media. Here under it, you're going to find device permissions, archiving and downloading, accessibility and translation, language, data usage and media quality, and lastly, app website permissions. Go ahead and click on data usage and media quality. And then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the option to use less data to activate the data saver. And here under it, you're going to find media upload quality. So make sure you enable upload at the highest quality, so you would be able to always upload the highest quality photos and videos. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.